Hey guys, John, Vapor Honing Technologies and Vapor Blast Manufacturing Company. Coming to you with over 99 combined years of experience and expertise in building wet blasting, dry blasting, and parts washing systems. You might ask yourself, how do you get 99 combined years? 84 years of history here with Vapor Blast, 14 years of history with Vapor Honing Technologies. Was able to acquire Vapor Blast Manufacturing Company last year, and we have been manufacturing all of their products ever since. What we're looking at today here is a 4836 vapor honing machine. This specific machine here is one that we've overhauled. We brought this back from Wisconsin. We completely tore it apart and we redid everything on the machine. I will have you know that from a sheet metal fabrication standpoint, we didn't have to repair the hopper or the walls or anything. What we did do is add forklift runners. And then of course we repainted the entire machine. But other than that, all new components, lighting, fans, motors, all that stuff. We rebuilt the pumping system. This machine specifically has the 1-inch pump design. This machine was probably built in the 60s. We don't know exactly the date. They just really went over the top and made a premium product. If you need a machine that's gonna last longer than you, Vapor Blast Manufacturing products are the way to go. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a couple features. We're gonna do a walk around on the machine. First, we're gonna talk about the door. This is called a manual vertical door option. It's effortless, it's weightless. The great cool thing about these machines that I love the most is that you have 2 doors on both sides of the cabinet as standard. As you can see how accessible this machine is with 2 doors, you can get access to both sides of the machine, so you're never gonna lose a part. It's easier to maintain the machine, so if you have to replace gloves or you have to replace the window rinse bar, you have 2 doors to do that. And that's why we believed that we should put it as a standard. You just have to choose between the 3, whether it's a pneumatic vertical, manual vertical, or a swinging door. You're gonna see this pointer guide. It's gonna show you or tell you how to start it up, how to blast, how to shut the machine down. Kind of like a checklist for a pilot. Something else you're gonna see up here, all the switches and the pneumatic controls are going to be on the front of the machine. One thing we did change with the Vapor Blast machine is that you can adjust the air pressure from the front. We like quick control, so there's a readout gauge and of course a knob to control your air pressure. Also your other switches, so your filter wash, which I'll show you in a minute, your windshield wiper, speed, also your pump and your light. So all this stuff can be controlled in either auto mode, meaning it's controlled by the foot pedal, or in manual mode. Because Vapor Blast did have an option where you could just turn the pump on and leave the pump on. One of the reasons for that is they used abrasives up to 5,000 mesh. And if that stuff settles out of suspension, it's gonna lock a pump completely up. So these machines were built a very specific way for the coating industry and the aerospace industry to run this pump constantly. So we've left that the same because we think it's a pretty valuable asset. Okay, so the next feature on a Vapor Blast cabinet that is a standard is what we call our demisting unit. What that does is it pulls air through the cabinet so you can either exhaust it outside or you can exhaust it into your current exhausting system. Just sending this air straight into atmosphere into your shop is not a good idea. Plus it's gonna fog the area up because this thing's pulling a lot of air through the cabinet so that it keeps visibility at a premium. There are some filters in here that get washed and reused. That was one of the buttons on the front that we showed you. We called it a filter wash. You can set it to auto mode, which means it's automatically washing the filter in a certain interval. Or of course you can flip it to manual mode, which means it's washing right then when you flip it to manual. Again, it's been proven since 1941. It's a fantastic thing that we're keeping on these machines.